girls on the grind. This is for the girls that'll work full time. This is for the self-made girls, yeah, the self-paid girls. But I never let them change your mind. Girls who fly, girls who thrive, living out dreams money just can't buy. If you question your why, you feeling defeat, you gon' look in the mirror, repeat after me. I am humongous, I am resourceful, I am much better than ever could be. I am the substance of everything hoped for. I am the proof of what's never been seen. I am so beautiful, I am responsible, I am enough and my soul is complete. More than just suitable, I am a conqueror, worthy of love that is whole and complete. And that's on me.
This is for the girls getting money. This is for the girls that don't need no man. This is for the girls that's in love with themselves. This is for all the girls that done did it by themselves. This is for all the girls that's INDEPENDENT. This is for all the girls that be living stress free. This is for all the girls on a mission like me. This for the girls. This for all the girls around the world. This is for the girls.
HDNA. It's what every GMC Sierra HD driver is born with, and it's engineered into every. Australia are being auctioned off. They laid off something like 50% of their spot into a franchise, and is excited that Mark Wahlberg's going to be promoting F45. One, Mark Wahlberg's not promoting F45 anymore. Two, that support staff that was at their HQ to help you, half of them are gone, and the half that are there are probably scared and bitter because they probably got a pay cut, or they're the lowest paid ones, which means they don't deliver the best, or they would have to live off their Social Security, which is like, I think my dad gets $1,800 a month and my mom gets like $800 a month. Now, how the hell are they going to live off less than $3,000 a month in Anaheim, California? Yet they have a house now paying off that house, a CEO, a vice president, or revenue. The people make money, and if they want to be future employees, or I should say entrepreneurs, their closers is also a coaching client. Traffic buyers are buying the traffic and making sure that the DMs are being communicated with, because he uses social media a lot. I have been using social media a lot to do that, but he was still trading time for dollars. I was like, hey man, do you want to go any further? He says, yes. This is great. Still gets cash flow coming into them, right? What an awesome thing to do. SDIA loan without quickness, and had to sell 2 rental properties to keep the fucking machine chugging along, and then bounce back, and here we are. But again, I share this with you because multiple income streams is what you need. You need to understand wealth creation, be willing to invest in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum.
To them. I know you've talked about the opposition. Yes, that's your term, the opposition.
To truly become richer in the physical world, you're going to have to become richer in yourself. Stop for a moment and ask, what would having more money give you that you don't already have? Whenever I ask this question, most people have ideas come to mind like freedom, security, or his thoughts, and so, indirectly, yet surely, shape his circumstances. Get-rich-quick scheme. The positivity system helps you change your fundamental attitudes towards wealth.